Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got another extremely exciting unboxing. So as you guys saw from a couple days ago, I unboxed the titanium edamame, and yeah, somehow I was able to score a tungsten edamame full bar size. And yeah, I have no idea how, and just got lucky, to be honest. I guess perfect timing, perfect place. So yeah, this is the titanium with the tungsten motorsport buttons. This is a perfect fit. I love it. But yeah, so, and these are the original buttons that it comes with. For the video's sake, I'm gonna put these on this one. So yeah, I'm gonna switch these out real quick. And that's the stainless steel thinner thing, V2 from Motorworks. So yeah, I'm gonna put that to the side for now. We're gonna be trying those buttons on later. So yeah, I am really excited about this unboxing, guys. Like I've wanted an edamame for super long, and I finally got this one from Jamie, the titanium. Let me see if I have the. Yeah, here we go. Titanium bar. Oh, I didn't see these stickers from before. So, day it was made. Titanium bar number 3. And yeah, so got this, and then Jamie was like, if you like this, you will love the tungsten. He was like, try to score that somehow. And then the day after that, I was able to find one and score. Like, that just doesn't happen. So yeah, and here it is. Let's just not waste any more time, and let's get right into it. All right, also make sure to check out the LIC EDC Facebook group down below. I'll leave a link, as well as check out our channel sponsors down below. Use my code DataDoseOfFidgets to get 10% off your entire order. So yeah, let's get into it. I mean, like, I gave up a lot to get this spinner, but yeah. Anything else? Nope. All right. Wow, this is heavy. Damn, I also have my scale to the side of me to measure the weight, and yeah. All right. Here we go. Oh wait. 4 sides. I'm gonna put that to the side. Stickers. And then the serial number. Edamame Dub 72023. So yeah, back when Jamie did the pre-order, I didn't know about it. So like, I was really sad that I missed out on it, because all of my friends got them, and I was like, damn, I can't believe I missed that. Like, I didn't even know these came out, or like pre-order was live for them. And yeah, so I wasn't able to get one. But yeah, this is the titanium one again. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna leave this right here. And then this is this. Wow, this is heavy. Let's get into it. Don't worry, I'm not cutting the spinner itself. And I've got to say, I have never felt anything this heavy. $240 grams. Let me quickly weigh the buttons. 71 grams. That is heavy. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna put this out to the side for now at least. But wow. All right, first spin. Wow. This is an amazing spinner. Super balanced too. No wobble at all. Pretty crazy for tungsten, to be honest, especially when it's this heavy. Now what I want to try is putting these tungsten buttons on the titanium and the titanium buttons on the tungsten. It's also got a full ceramic bearing in there as well. It's pretty nice. Alright, let me do the titanium one. I mean, I'm pretty used to the feel already because of these buttons. That's why. So yeah. Alright, let's give it a spin on this one. Wow. And this thing's actually pretty insane. I can see why people love this thing. Yep, I love it. The sound is insane with the titanium buttons and plus the upgraded bearing. So now I want to try some buttons that Jamie sent to me in this package. These are the resin ones that Jamie also makes, and he's going to be selling them soon. So I joined a Facebook page to keep an eye out for these buttons. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, these are amazing on this thing. That's actually crazy. All right, so now what I want to do, wow, okay. Now I just want to try some different buttons on this thing. Let me try the stainless steel sage buttons. Ooh, these look great. A bit too short though, but not if you hold it like this. But look great. Too short though, maybe with a higher post in the middle. Now let me try these buttons. These are the titanium buttons that I have on my Zerk Mini Ergo. Too flat. Too flat. Too flat. Let me try these. And these are good. All right. Let me try these now. They're good, but if they were taller, they would be better. Let's try these. These are taller and thicker. Titanium, what's it called? Pillar buttons. These are some thick boys. Look at that. Sounds crazy. On to the next. These ones should be good on it. These are NJT Nobu Zerk buttons. A lot thicker than these. So yeah, let's see how they feel. Pretty beat up, but let's see. These are great, yep. Whoops. It's tungsten. It will not break or get a dent from wood. Yeah, it's insane. Alright, on to the next. These are the best ones I've tried besides these stock ones. Especially these titanium ones on this thing are like amazing. I think these are the best fit so far. These and the resin ones are tied. Now let's try these buttons. These, like I showed you guys, they are, one sec. I have the smaller scale right now here that can measure these, but these are tungsten buttons, 76, and then these are 71, I believe. Yeah, so this will be heavier. Let's try these out. I mean, that just looks amazing. It feels amazing, spins amazing. All right. So if you guys want some weight comparisons, these buttons are great. I'm gonna put them right here. Wow, that's just such a big difference. Let's this to the side. So this is the titanium, 46 grams. Tungsten, 170 grams. Insane. Titanium buttons, 20 grams. Tungsten buttons, 70. 72 grams. Okay, there we go. Motorwork buttons once again, 78. Nope, wrong buttons. And then these ones, just to weigh them, 36 for titanium buttons. It's crazy. So yeah, one sec. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring out some of my other Motorwork spinners that have good buttons, good looking buttons, I guess. And I'm gonna try them on these things. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up here and then I'll be right back. All right, so I am back. I got these two spinners right here. Then I'm gonna try these buttons, see how they look. And then I got a whole stack of Motorwork spinners. So yeah. So first, let's go ahead and try these buttons and see how they look. I already know this will not be the best feel or grip. Yeah, like I don't even feel comfortable spinning these. Like it's slipping, so flat. I mean, it looks decent, but it doesn't have the best grip. So yeah, but I want to try these buttons on this thing. Let's see. This will be great, I know for sure. Yep, amazing. All right. Let's try, no wait, let's try these first. Some copper buttons. They look good. Yeah, they're pretty good. On to the next. This is my bronze mini ergo, by the way. Now let's try this one. This is like one of my favorite spinners. The Zerk Mini Ergo Tri. These are great, amazing. Funny enough, I actually traded these buttons for this thing, not just the buttons, but a Zerk Mini Ergo with deep dish Zerk buttons, plus something else as well. So yeah, on to the next. As you guys can see, I take pretty good care of my motorsport stuff. So yeah, alright, let's try these buttons. Actually, they'll be for last. These. Oops, alright. These first. Titanium buttons. So just so you guys get an idea, $18 grams, 19 almost. That looks amazing. And it spins amazing. Yep, they're great. Putting that back in. All right. Now we gotta try these buttons. Bronze machinima thing buttons. Let's go. Great, spins amazing. But now I want to try these buttons on the machinima thing. And this thing is so smooth. All right, on to the next. All right, now what's next? Oh, these buttons. The magnesium mini buttons. Such an amazing spinner. By the way, this entire thing weighs just 18 grams. So that's pretty crazy. Jamie, you should try some magnesium edamames. Sounds crazy. Whoops. Great, now let's try these. First of all, that looks baller. And it sounds even better. Pretty cool. Putting that away. Okay, now we get to the good stuff. Let me try these first. So these I've actually tried already, kind of. This is the Tungsten mini ergo. This thing almost feels light because this thing, just the body, is heavier than this. This is 164, this is 170. That's actually crazy. So the reason I want to try these buttons, that is because these buttons are 76 and these buttons are 80, so 4 grams heavier, making this thing weigh 250 grams. That is insane. It's so heavy. Looks good too. Alright, on to the next. Well, I think I'll leave this on here for now. Actually, no. I'm not gonna risk getting it damaged. I'm just gonna put it away. But this thing just feels light compared to this thing. This is an amazing spinner too. So yeah, putting that away. Alright. Let me try these ones first. These are going to be both superconductor. They look great. these are also some superconductor buttons, but these are super rare. This entire spinner together with the buttons is like $800, $900. The retail on the spinner was like $565, something like that. But yeah, I've got an offer for these buttons, but I turned it down. I mean, look at these things. They're like a one of one kind of. Titanium buttons with superconductor inlays. And I think flamed or anodized gold. So cool. But yeah. I think they're gonna be living in this thing though. Don't see these things leaving the original spinner that they came with. This thing is like 10 out of 10 condition, mint. All right. And here we go with the last buttons that we're gonna try. I've seen like Levi and Jury get like custom Makume buttons from Gavin from Dynamic Inertia. They're like deep dish, kind of like rounded. So yeah, this is probably should have gotten the crystallized twist tie buttons from Gavin, like those blue ones. I don't know if you guys saw those, but should have gotten them, but I couldn't. So yeah, kind of regret that. But these are the Motorworks Makume buttons. Look great in this thing, to be honest. Wow. So put these back on here. These things feel so light now. Just holding that thing, it's actually insane. Alright, so I'm gonna put this back in here. I'm gonna put away all these Motorworks boxes and I'll be right back to wrap up the video. Alright, I am back. I'm gonna put these back on. So I think the best buttons for this thing that I've tried is these. I mean, these are good too, but mainly because they look better and make it heavier. But I would say the best combo for me right now, I think it'll be this right here. I'm gonna be putting on the Tungsten Edamame buttons on the Titanium Edamame. And then, excuse me. And then the Titanium Edamame buttons and this thing. So I'm gonna switch them up. But I'm gonna be switching between these two for the Titanium. These are good, but I'm used to these as well. So yeah, but for the Tungsten one, I think I may like even these better. I'll show you guys why in a second. Squeeze on. So look, I can like dig my middle finger and thumb in, and I can just really like toss it. me, they're not going anywhere. So yeah, I don't know. Thinking about it, but maybe I'll put these back on the stainless steel thinner thing. I don't know. Also, I got tungsten grips for my tri thinner thing V2. Sorry, I actually posted the video on it. Well, no, I haven't. I have scheduled the video. But yeah, keep an eye out for these buttons. These are tungsten full throttle buttons for the thinner thing, especially. Like they won't fit in this thing. So yeah, but I don't know. But I will post in the group to see which buttons I like the best on which spinner. But I think titanium tungsten motors works. I don't know. I think I like the Motorworks tungsten buttons better than the... I don't know, they're really even, to be honest, but I think I'm just more used to these because I've used them more. But I will do an update later to see what I like better over some time. But yeah, and I think I'm gonna rock these for now. I would love some turbo glow for these buttons. Jamie, if you're watching this, let me buy some if you have any stock. But yeah, like this thing is really balanced, by the way, too. Like, one sec. There you go. I mean, that just does not tilt at all. Actually, before we even do anything, I forgot to do this. Tungsten buttons. 29.1. Those are some wide buttons. I did not realize they were this wide. No, wait, hold on. I was about to say, that doesn't make any sense. 24 millimeters for the Motorworks. 24.4, so basically same size. And then these are 23.5. So these are a millimeter in diameter shorter than the resin ones. Wow, like I'm really liking these right now. But I will update you guys later. So yeah, let me go ahead and put these stock buttons back on for the tungsten so I can take a thumbnail and end this video. So yeah, like I love this thing. I'm not gonna get rid of it. Oh, if you're wondering about the length of this spinner, 62 millimeters, 0.3. Same thing. So yeah, 10 out of 10. I love it. I definitely want to try the mini mame and the mini edamame. My bad. But yeah, and Jamie's coming up with some new tries. So I'm gonna need those in titanium and tungsten, just like these. Gonna need the mini in tungsten and titanium. Yeah, alright. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out the LIC EDC Facebook group down below. And yeah, what else? Yeah, Don't forget to check out our channel sponsors down below. Use my code DATEDOSEOFFIDGETS to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Stay tuned for my update on these things. And yeah, see you guys later.